Perfect. So now let's very quickly take a look at how you could deploy, let's say, a Knit MCP server, in this case for HubSpot, on a platform like Make. What I've been trying to do so far is I've set up a very small agent on make.com under agents. Now I'll create an MCP server for HubSpot. So let me just add that. Now for this server, I actually don't need everything. I'm running it for very specific requirements. So I just need info. So what I'll do is I will just select the 22 tools which are around contacts, nothing related to deals, nothing that's not required. I'll go ahead and continue setup. I'll name it HubSpot MCP or Make, and I'll go on to custom client. Now in this case, I am the one who's using it. This for my internal use case. So, and I'm the only one who'd authorize it. So I'll say I will authorize. If you're, let's say, building it for each of your team members or for your company and you want them to authorize their own apps, you could also select that and do that. For now, I'll just go ahead and authorize my HubSpot. As you can see, this will go through the OAuth. Now it is done. Let's go back. As you can see, now it's connected. I will go and continue to deploy. Now we need the server URL. So let me copy this and I would go back onto Make. As you can see here, I'm already sort of done the basic setup. I would name this HubSpot MCP, and I would add an MCP. This is the URL. We actually don't need this because it's already um, incorporated in the URL. I'll just go ahead and save this. Perfect. Now it's been able to fetch all the tools. If you want to control something here, you can choose to switch it on or off. But I've already filtered it on net, so I'll just save this and I can move on.